Hello, my name is Modan Dev, and today I'm going to present my 308 SEM event project. So my topic is what is the reason behind the festival industry evolving from content focused to experience focused, and mainly stressing on the music festival. So festivals have been usually created to celebrate milestones, to show different cultures, different customs, and a different way of celebrating milestones. So according to some authors, the festivals have lately been exposed to great attention around the world, and people around the world have been visiting different countries to go to festivals. My aims and objectives would be to the first one to identify the growth in popularity and the demand for festivals. It's to understand the reason for attending a festival, to also highlight the development in the industry and the reasons behind it. It's also to define the role of marketing and its impact on the festival industry. Therefore, to understand the shifts and transitions in the industry from content orientation to experience, and obviously to analyze the key literature around the topic. My key literature is I listed a couple of articles there. For example, the first one is by Valentine, Design and Managing Music Festivals Experiences to Enhance Customer Psychological and Social Benefits. The author is studying a festival in Australia, which was created by the community in that area in Australia, and it was mainly focused on folklore music and traditions. And now it developed to have more than 100 acts and many different music genres like rock music, R&B, um, pop, and also folklore. But it's just developed to have more genres than one. Another really helpful article is to study the relationship between visitors' value level, satisfaction, and loyalty in music festivals, and that really helped me in terms of understanding the creation of value for customers, therefore leading to satisfaction, and then the customers will be loyal to that organization or that festival, for example. My methodology is a mixed methods approach, looking both at quantitative methods and qualitative. I'll be looking at different photos, videos from festivals through the years and see how they develop, what's the change, and then I'm also going to be looking at annual reports from different organizations creating festivals and see how they change their strategy to for example, attract more customers and how they develop in order to give the customers more value and more uh, reasons to attend the festival. I'd also be looking at the literature to analyze the main topics and the main points around the topic, and which ones are really backing up my theory. Here are some of my findings. So basically, music festivals are really growing according to authors. 10 million people attended festivals in 1969 and 35 million attended in 2015, but they're still growing. Marketing and social media really are a game changer in the field for organizations. And the industry evolved in terms of seeing how nowadays they're advertising multiple acts and services at once and not just the band or performer at the festival. Here are some photos, examples of Glastonbury's development in the early stages dating back to now. For example, they built their first permanent stage in 1981. Then they introduced the kids field and they built one stage at next following year. For example, in 1985 they needed more land, so they bought a Cogmill farm to expand. And then in 1860 and 1887 they introduced two more stages. You can see here in the poster of the 1990, their 20th anniversary, they already had 12 stages and more than 1,000 acts, which was, at that time, it was really a lot. And you can see in just 5-6 years, they added more than 10 stages. And then you can see from 2016 and 17's festivals, you can see in the picture here like many stages and many venues throwing fireworks and stuff like that. You can see in the picture below how the stage is really evolved, and now they have more than 60 venues and more than thousands of acts for everyone to enjoy whatever they like. So that's a big development just for Glastonbury, and there's going to be more studies and more analysis on different festivals to see how they develop and then combine everything and see what are the reasons and why they are developing that much. Here are my references that I used for this presentation, and thank you for your time.